how to put two Bitmojis together on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can put two Bitmojis together on Snapchat. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the chat icon which can be seen in the bottom left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the chat section, simply scroll through the chat and simply open the chat of the friend which you want to create a Friendmoji with. And now here, also make sure that you have made your Bitmojis as well. And with that, once you're inside the chat, just tap on your friend's profile at the top. And here, once you are in the profile, if you drag down the profile section right here, then you can see two Bitmojis together. So here, if you want to share the pose, you can share it by tapping on share pose and send it to the other person as well. And that's it. That's how you can put two Bitmojis together on Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.